Welcome. In this video, I'll tell you all about Coinbase Wallet. Let's begin. Coinbase Wallet is a self-custody crypto wallet that gives you full control over your digital assets. Unlike the Coinbase exchange, this wallet is non-custodial, meaning you hold the private keys, not the platform. It supports thousands of cryptocurrencies and NFTs, and it's built for exploring Web3. You can use it to connect directly with decentralized apps or dApps right from your phone or browser. Whether you're trading tokens, accessing DeFi platforms, or diving into NFT marketplaces, everything's just a tap away. Coinbase Wallet is available as a mobile app and a browser extension, making it flexible for both beginners and advanced users. The interface is clean, the setup is simple, and security is in your hands. If you want a secure and user-friendly way to manage crypto and explore the decentralized web, Coinbase Wallet is definitely worth checking out. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching.